Oh, this doesn't want to come out. I can't get it. Look at, oh, you're not ready. You're not ready.
What's up, fam? I hope this message finds y'all well in good spirits. So here today,
we have something special. She wanted to be in the video, guys. Hopefully by the time you see this video, this will be the last time that you won't see the Mustang in the driveway, in the garage, but this is a special unboxing. You guys have been teasing it for, I don't even know how long. Finally, we have our twin 6467 comp triple ball bearing oilless turbos, and we're gonna open these things up and explain how much they cost, because it might just blow your mind. These things are very, very expensive. We've spent all of the money. We sent it to Hellhorse Performance. Thank you so much. We're still waiting on the rest of the kit to get here, and also the Mustang, which will be here early next week. So again, last video, hopefully without the Mustang. But all right, yeah, I'm very excited. So we're gonna hide some addresses because they're showing there. We'll do a special unboxing, and we're gonna walk you through what is inside each of these before we do it. Are you excited?
yes.
Are you? You wanna do it? You want me to do it?
You can do it.
Now again, these are going into my 2019 Mustang GT, and the whole purpose is to go fast. Hellhorse really wants me to chase 8s, so that's probably what we're eventually going to get to. But we're going to give it all the car's got on 93 pop gas before we put a fuel system in the car and all of that stuff. We got to build the engine, we got to build the transmission. We have to do a lot of things, but it all starts here with what's in these boxes. So I'm very excited. We still have, remember, the rest of the stuff that's going into the car. So we have here are our FIC 1000 injectors. They should support a ton of power. I imagine on pump gas this is probably going to make probably mid-7s right out of the gate. Oh, look at this. We got a product certification here. What is inside? We got stickers. Oh, this doesn't want to come out. I can't get it. What'd you say?
That's what she said.
Oh my gosh. Oh man. Look at this. Oh, you're not ready. You're not ready. All right. You can't see. Alright, so we have some lubricant. So these are oilless. Remember, this is a low mount system that's going in the car. And it's cool because this should be pretty simple. So every about, as explained to me, every about 3,000 miles you got to lube these things up. Oh man. Thank you. Set that down gently. Alright. So look at this. This is what's going to make all the power. Oh yeah. Let me see, pass me the camera. Alright guys, you are looking at a comp turbo. It is a 6467. We have 2 of them. Remember, oilless triple ball bearing. And these should support a ton of power. And wow. I've never had a, looks like there's your grease fitting there. I have always been kind of a top mount blower guy. I've never had a Mustang that has been twin turboed. And that really seems to be one of the big flavors, you know, especially for the 1819 Mustangs, because they just do so well. Look at that, look at that. And wow, so yeah, again, the idea is to make a lot of power with the Mustang once it gets here early next week, and we're gonna start tearing it apart and then start mounting these up once we get the rest of the packaging, the tubing, all of that. But this is really a work of art. Now these were custom made. It did take a little while to get them, and here's the thing, it cost each one, are you ready for this? I don't even think my wife knows. $2,000 a piece, each one of these. So yes, it is more expensive to go twins, but you can obviously make a lot more power. So we're gonna run a boost control in the car, and then we're gonna turn it up and turn it down, play with it on the track, see what it does. But this is it. Yeah, this is where all the YouTube money has gone, is right here. So again, lots more things, but this is just the turbos, guys. So we have a ginormous intercooler coming, lots of piping, all of that stuff should be here hopefully within the next few days, and we'll have the car back at the same time, hopefully, and we're gonna get started. But all right, yeah, I'm gonna open up the other one too, just make sure that everything is good to go. And again, we don't have anything wrong with them, nothing banged up in the box.
Look at the date that it was assembled. The 13th.
Are you serious? 2013, it was assembled. September 2013. That is so crazy. You know what? Because you know what day that is?
Your birthday.
That was my birthday. Oh my gosh. Yes. You know what's really cool is, well, also unfortunate was the hood was delivered around that time and it came banged up. But very cool that Xander 13. Everything we do is 13 because. Mostly, I was born on the 13th of September. Way back in the day, I'm 34 years young, and I was also a 13 Fox in the Army for everybody that did not know that. So yes, we are veterans on this channel. But that's honestly really cool. September 13. That blows my mind a little bit. That's really special. Oh my goodness. It's the little things. It honestly is. But all right, let's see if we can get this. I can't get it. Come on, baby. There we go. Yeah, again, we just want to make sure that everything looks good. Twins, baby, twins. It's happening. I know everybody has been waiting so long. I know this is just a glorified unboxing, but this is really just to mark the point in history on this channel that yes, we are going twin turbo. I have not just been hinting at it. I have been completely serious, and hopefully you guys are ready to see this build start here in the next couple of days. But yes, it is for real. I wasn't just talking a lot of hype. They are here right in front of me. So cool that they're actually assembled on the 13th of September. That's a little bit special. These things are ginormous, so they should make a lot of power. Again, twin 6467 comp triple ball bearing oilless turbochargers, twin turbskis. Here we go. And for all of you guys that care, let's just take a peek around them and really get a close up here. So give them a spin. These things are absolutely beautiful. Look at this. So I know that Hellion Sleeper Kit is out there. They've got a top mount. Hellion makes a top mount. LPF, they have a kit out there. Some other companies as well. But this is what we are doing. We're doing the Hellhorse Performance.com. They're doing the Hellhorse twin turbo kit. They make the big singles, they make them all. Top mounts as well, but this is going to be a low mount system, so it should be pretty sweet. And I'm really, really excited again. A big shout out to them. FIC injectors are going to the car. All of this other stuff is going to be added to the car, in addition to everything that we have on the build already that you've seen over and over and over in the videos, and much more to come. Okay guys, one more time, get ready. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see the build. The thing is, if you search S550 2015 and up Mustangs twin turbo, there's not a lot of content on YouTube, so hopefully we can dominate in that whole category, that whole segment, and then make it our own on this channel, because nobody's done like specific how-to videos, especially on the low mounts. And with ease of watching, and that's kind of the point. That's what we want to translate as best we can on the channel. Is anybody that wants to replicate this build, you got to stay tuned to the channel, because all of those videos are about to be coming out. We're going to make so much content with all of this behind me. It's going to literally blow your mind. This is going to be the setup for the long term, and we're going to continue to build. That's also why we went twin turbo. Yes, before we were talking about the new Edelbrock kit, we were talking about maybe a Whipple or something else like that. But with the twin turbo, there is no stage 2 kit to buy, if you will. But yeah, that's basically why we wanted to go twins, is because we want a lot of power. Also, they're going to make a lot of torque. This car is going to be nasty on the track. It's going to be epic. I'm very, very excited. And it, again, all starts with this. Thanks to Hellhorse right here. Thank you so much for helping out. I honestly will be happy with high 9s, low 9s right out of the gate. Still a couple things we have to do. We have to get drive shaft, axles, lots of shopping to do. But, huh? You need another car? Well, she wants a Mustang, but we can't build two at the same time. But here we go, twin turbos. I'm gonna end the video here. Get ready for the next one. Hopefully by the next one we'll have the car back in the garage. We will have the rest of the kit here, and we will be disassembling what we need to and reassembling everything that's going into it. Oh man, I'm so excited. she said like, subscribe, comment, turn the notification bell on. Did I say like the video? Because yes, that helps. YouTube seems to think that that is important. But there you go. Until next time, I'll see all of you guys in the next video. Peace. Be safe.
What's up, fams? I hope this message finds you well in good spirits. We're here today to reveal something special for Xander's channel. What's up, fam? Hope this message finds you well.